Welcome back to the channel Car Og 765, where we explore the most iconic, powerful, and timeless machines ever built. If you love classic vehicles and want to discover the stories behind them, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Today, we're diving into something truly legendary, the 1970 Mach 1, a machine that represents raw strength, durability, and the golden era of American trucking. Built by Mack Trucks, this truck wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of hard work, reliability, and unmatched engineering. Back in 1970, the trucking industry in America was booming. Highways were expanding, industries were growing, and the demand for powerful, long-lasting trucks was at its peak. This is where the Mach 1 came into the spotlight. Known for its rugged design and heavy-duty performance, it quickly became a favorite among truckers who needed something they could rely on day and night. One of the first things you notice about the 1970 Mach 1 is its bold and commanding presence. The design is simple but incredibly tough, with a strong steel body that looks like it could take on anything. The iconic Mack Bulldog emblem sitting proudly on the hood tells you everything you need to know. This truck means business. It's not about luxury or style, it's about power, endurance, and getting the job done no matter the conditions. Under the hood, the Mach 1 was built with engines that were designed for heavy hauling. These engines weren't just powerful, they were built to last. Truckers often praised Mack engines for their durability, sometimes running for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. In an era where reliability meant everything, the Mach 1 stood out as a true workhorse. Driving the 1970 Mach 1 was a completely different experience compared to modern trucks. There were no advanced electronics, no digital displays, just pure mechanical control. The steering was heavy, the gear shifts required skill, and every movement made you feel connected to the machine. For many drivers, this was the true essence of trucking. It demanded respect, focus, and experience. Inside the cabin, things were simple and functional. You wouldn't find luxury features here, but you would find everything a driver needed to get through long hours on the road. The seats were built for durability, the dashboard was straightforward, and every control was designed with purpose. It was a workspace, not a comfort zone, and that's exactly how truckers liked it back then. What made the Mach 1 truly special was its reputation. In the trucking world, reputation is everything, and Mack built theirs on toughness. These trucks were known to handle extreme loads, rough terrains, and long distances without breaking down. Whether it was construction work, long-haul transport, or heavy-duty industrial use, the Mach 1 proved itself time and time again. Another important aspect of the 1970 Mach 1 is its place in history. This truck represents a time when machines were built to last decades, not just years. It reflects an era of American engineering where strength and reliability were the top priorities. Even today, you can still find restored Mack trucks from this era, proudly displayed at truck shows or still working in some parts of the world. Collectors and enthusiasts have a deep appreciation for the Mach 1. Restoring one of these trucks is not just about bringing an old vehicle back to life, it's about preserving a piece of history. The sound of its engine, the feel of its controls, and the look of its design all bring back memories of a time when trucking was more than just a job, it was a lifestyle. For your YouTube channel, this kind of vehicle is gold. The 1970 Mach 1 has a strong audience in the United States, especially among classic truck lovers, restorers, and automotive history fans. Videos featuring classic Mack trucks often perform well because they combine nostalgia, power, and storytelling in one package. What's also interesting is how the Mack brand has maintained its identity over the years. Even modern Mack trucks carry that same spirit of toughness and reliability. But there's something special about the 1970 models, they have a soul that modern machines sometimes lack. If you're thinking about creating content around this truck, focus on its history, engine sound, design details, and real-life stories. People love hearing about how these trucks were used, how they performed, and what made them stand out. Adding visuals of restored models or archival footage can make your video even more engaging. In the end, the 1970 Mach 1 is not just a truck, it's a legend on wheels. It represents an era of hard work, innovation, and mechanical excellence. It reminds us of a time when machines were built with passion and purpose, designed to last and to perform under the toughest conditions. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine, don't forget to subscribe to Car Og 765 for more amazing content on classic vehicles. There's a lot more coming your way, and you won't want to miss it.